Want to make your profile more dynamic? Here's how to add a boomerang to Tinder. A boomerang is a short looping video that makes your profile stand out. To add one, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the edit icon located around your profile picture. Now, here at the media section, tap on plus icon and choose a short video from your phone. Here you can see the boomerang icon. Tap on it, and once you are happy, tap save. Your boomerang will now appear on your profile. If your boomerang does not upload, try reducing the file size or switching to a different video format. And that's it. Your Tinder profile is now more eye-catching. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.